what IACMI provides is the forum and the partnership capabilities for the entire industry, from small manufacturers throughout the supply chain, to come together, solve challenges, and really move the industry forward, help us achieve our clean energy goals.
Working with our industrial partners, we can look at from tool design to the performance at the end of a component, and that's all necessary to create a framework for supply chain decision making for commercialization purposes.
I think it's pretty unique what we're doing here. That's something what IACMI made possible, really, from material up to the prototype. Everything is basically available in one institution. Yeah.
IACMI has also enabled us to supplement our internal R&D budget with external funding from the federal government, from the states, and from the other industry partners. And those leverage factors are very attractive.
IACMI seamlessly blends together the large enterprises like aerospace and automotive with the smaller companies, which often have great difficulty navigating access to those huge OEMs and the ability to present their unique technologies.